Hey, go fuck yourself, asshole. There's no goddamn bike lane here. This is a fucking parking lane, you piece of shit. Are you threatening me?
No, you asserting yourself.
Why did you endanger my life?
You endangering us.
I'm allowed to be in the road, same as any other.
There's allowed to be right there on the fucking...
No, I'm allowed to be in the goddamn middle of the road, and you are required to manage your shit like a fucking adult instead of a little bitty child.
But one thing, you gotta stop playing with people, dog. I don't care what...
Why is me using the road playing with you?
You is. You sat there and got in the whole...
I'm allowed to be in the fucking road.
No, it ain't.
Yes, I am. State law gives me the right to the road. State law gives me the right to the road. State law gives me the right to the road.